Hi, welcome back to our tutorial video. So we have built that stuff, and as you see, the height of them is the same to the railing. So because of that, we take this whole stuff, box selection, grab them there and scale them to that size from there. Such like that maybe. Yeah. Good. This one must be a little bit bigger because that here is the high point where it ends with the top line. Good. So we bring it on position. That one should be here on the side. It is leaned here and goes chill there. We see it here. So because of that, top view, rotate and try to bring it there, and we see it is too short. That means we must make it longer in that direction. So edit mode, Alt A deselect all, box selection, and bring that with normal axis. Don't helps really. Then we take the local axis. Good. Here, then Alt A deselect, box selection again, and bring it. Oops. One back. That here must come with us. Here to the edge, and that here must then bend it to the other side there. That means we have to take that stuff here, top view, and bring them till there. The half of them. From the other side comes the other half, and then we have it. So that is the railing for that front. We have that. It was not so clever. We had to make better. We made better a copy before, because we need this old stuff again. But eager. Then comes this tree box. So the tree box we bring there, and we must turn them and bring them a little bit higher, such like that. Rotate set -90. Rotate set 180. Now it is right turned. So it should be a little bit back. Yeah. And then we must build the new one. You see, here's the tree box, and here is a simple railing, and then comes the boat. And that is what I said. We have turned that now, and that is for sure bad, because then we have it not as easy to build new ones. So, but that works. So Shift D, make a copy, and here we delete the whole side here. X, delete words. Then we copy that here. Shift D, bring it to the other side, rotate, set 180 degrees, and we have that. Now we can make that here longer and can bring them both together. So we take that loop and that loop, F3, and bridge edge loops, and he closed that. So we have now that thing. Shift D, make a secure copy, and place them to the tree bug. So we have here the tree bug. We must change the position maybe later, or I don't know that yet. We will see how long that is. So after that thing comes the boat, and after the boat comes here a little thing that connects with them. Okay, so we have here the boat. Bring it there. Yes, and here comes a little railing. You must look how that looks. This is the front start, and then it ends where it ends. Okay. So we get here this whole thing, Shift D, and delete all that we don't need. So that is here, this whole stuff, and that here also. But without that, and without that, and without that loop here. So X delete words. So we have that left, and that we can bring now. You see it here on the railing stuff, but we see it is not small enough. So we scale it a little down, that it fits with the origin there, and so we can make it here too, make it a little bit smaller, bring it down, that we bring in the middle, that we can scale then also a little. So that one we make now longer, that it comes till the end. See, circle selection, bring it into, so we have that also, that we bring in the middle. Good, that is the one side. The same is on the other side. So we can simply take the whole stuff here and make a copy. Shift D. Wow, no, we have the plate with us. Control Z, go back. That one should be it. Shift D. Then we can join that together as one. Then we can say apply the rotation scale of it. Then we can say set the origin to geometry, and then we can mirror that interactive with hold that middle mouse button and move the mouse as long as we get the right result. That is the right result. So left click and bring it onto the ship. So we have closed that side now too. Here that thing that was here. So beside the tree bug there, it is like there, but it must be turned then and must be deeper. Top view, rotate and grab till the side. Good. Bring it a little bit deeper. And as I see in the original, that thing has different colors. Must look where we see that. Here it is chrome there, and then there are golden screws on there. So I make this chrome thing there on. So we go to materials, we need here the white metal, so white metal, and plus we need a chrome, so we take the chrome. Then we make here Control R, a loop in, and select this loop and bring them to Chrome. Good. So we have done that also. File, save. The spaces between the guns and railings there are closed with some lines there, some wires. That means we have to take one, that one maybe, and make them longer. So C, circle selection, we take that both and make them simply longer. We see we are not completely fitting with them, so we can bring that a little bit up and that behind on the other side also. So we have that. We have deadlines. Then I think here before, I don't know, before the boat, are there some wires? I don't see it here. No, there are no wires. Okay. So we need it only on that side here too. So we can Alt-A disable all, take this both and bring them to fit with them. Good. So we have that. File, save as, new version number, 18 in my case. So we need here the railing for that middle part here. So we get a simple one without some other stuff. Okay. So we take that one, Shift D, bring it down there. Should be close up with them at the top. So switch like that, I think. We will see it. But we don't need here all other stuff. So that means when we mark that here, we need only that and nothing else. So we take that and invert the selected, select invert, and that we can delete. X, delete words. That was too much. That one should be there. So we disable that one. Good. X, delete words. Motherfucking stuff there. So we go back. Why he deletes them? Because here's a loop and the words are there. Okay, so that means when I disable that and disable that, he should, yeah, now we have it. So that is a thing we can array if we want, but I will make it this time other way. I start here, scale down and bring it to start. Then I take the whole things here and oops, what happens? Background selection, word selection. Take them and bring them till the end. Then I get here this pole. Alt A, deselect all, L to select the object, and Shift D and place them. Shift D to duplicate and place them. Good, we have done that railing too, so we bring them in position. A little bit more. So Okay. Then Shift D, make a copy and bring it to the other side too. That is okay. Can be a little bit deeper. So that's okay. Here it can be a little bit higher. Good. File, save. Now we must make here the back railing. See it here, it comes there, and there comes a tree book again. And then is a normal railing. But here is other, here only two, and this guy's, and here only two. And as I thought about it, that one here is wrong. That must be a pipe, not a wire. So I delete them, and that one here too, L to select, X delete words, and get here this whole top line, and Shift D, place them there, and Shift D, place them there. Good. So that looks better. Good. I delete that one too, so I can Shift D, place them there too. So I must look heavy roundings there. Roundings on the back. No rounding here. Here's a rounding. Okay. So we need first the rounding and then we can go on. Okay. So Shift D, we take that one. And scale it down till the size that we use here. But it is nearly this size. So we bring that out. And can delete here all that we don't need. So we can delete that one, C, that one. Here, not all, but nearly all. Yeah. And X delete words. Then I need here this pipe. So Shift D, make a copy, bring one there, and Shift D again, bring one there. So we have that one, and bring that till the ship. Okay. It looks for me, yeah, it's straight. Oh, okay, now I understand. It's leaned. Then that all makes sense. So this front here must bring in too. Good. We can get here a little bit up, but then we must scale again. So we have that one. Then there comes a tree book. Here tree book, and that goes till the end, but only with two. And that one is shorter than, but there is no one, that's the tree book. Okay. So we take the tree book and the other one, this one, Shift D, and place them there too, but more in front. Then this one should be there, but only 2 guys of them. So we can take simply Alt A, disable, and bring that both over there, and then comes the railing. So that means we can take this one, Shift D, bring it there. I must look again. There's a long. There's no one. Oh, short one. Oh. Ah, that is tree work. There is no one. The last one is there. Okay. So only one is needed. That is mystery stuff. That means that one thing here is the last one. And all between is this guy there. Okay. So we get this whole stuff here and X delete words. That here too. So now we must make them here longer till there, and that here should be more in the middle of that. And what here don't fits really. Yes, we have here problem. We need here a bending, a leaning. So Control R, make here a loop. Control R again, make there a loop. Then we get these both loops with circle selection and give them a little bending in that direction, leaning in that direction, and then we have that fitting. So here we must go back that we are in this other pipes. We see here we have to close that. So we have that railing. File, save. Good. From there it goes simply around, and on the back side there is a bending. Good. That means I need this little guy here. Shift D, apply rotation scale, set origin to geometry, and from them I need more than one. So I take them, Shift D, place one there, Shift D, one there. We see it not here so good, so I hope we get them there where it should. And I don't know how many are there, so I must look that later that the count is correctly. And there should come the round end. So I think here can be another one. So Shift D and bring it there. Good. Maybe we can take here one in the middle. I think so. Shift D, one in the middle. Good. Now we need this pipe stuff there. So we simply can take here one of these loops, Shift D, rotate set 90 degrees, and simply extrude them till there. Get that whole thing with L, and Shift D, place it down under, and here the railing goes from the top line So that means when we shift D, have it here on the top also. Let's bring them into here too. Good. But I think I saw that here is no top line, only till there. Okay. So that means when we take that one and make them shorter, then we have it. Good. That one here isn't correct, or that isn't correct. I don't know it exactly. Maybe that must be higher, or the other stuff must be deeper. It's all a little bit different here. Mystery. But okay. Who cares? So we take that one, Shift D, top view. Now we must find the angle to that position. So rotate Z, try that, and extrude till there. Think that here can be a little bit more there. So we look that that fits. We go wireframe mode. So then we take this guy. Oops. Alt A deselect, L to select, Shift D, place one there, and Shift D again, one there. Good, we can make them longer when we take here the normal axis, can bring them till the next one without having problems. And from there it must go straight till there, but then straight. So Shift D, top view, and now we must make it rotated to a straight one and extrude them till there, such like that. This one can be more there, that one too. Then we look where we are here, Alt A, and then we take here that one, so L to select them, make them before a little bit shorter, then with L and Shift D, another one there, and Shift D, another one there. Good, we have that. We must make them for sure longer, we will see that, but we need here this banded pipe there. Oops. So I go back to material mode. That looks mysterious, but that is like it is, yeah. So we have here the banded one, so we can take it completely, and but it's leaned all. Oh my god! Shift D, place it there, and try my best from top view to make it straight. Then the global axis, rotate set 180 degrees and plug it in the side. Now we have to go deeper, and here it should fit. there. Okay, then here the other ones can be longer to fit with them. So we have the railing around there. There comes a ladder that goes down then. File, save. So we can take here this whole stuff. Make a copy. Shift D. Place them there. Object join. Object apply rotation scale. Object set origin to geometry. And then we have to mirror them. So mirror, interactive, hold middle mouse button, move as long as it takes to get the right mirror, the right mirror ring. So that isn't it, so we need it on the outside here. So I take it again on the outside. Yeah, that's it. Then oops, grab Y, and then we have that here on the side too. So we have a complete railing around with some other stuff. That is a good start. Then we see later what we do with that all. So that was it for today, and we go on then next time. So thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next tutorial. Bye.